Hi, I'm Vicki Clark, Sales Manager of West 10 Media. Welcome to our new feature, Know Your Biz. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.
Now, do you
Gorman, Buff City Soap in Millington. We are so excited to be in Millington. We would love for you to come out. We offer plant-based bath and body products. We make soap, laundry detergent, shower oils, body butters. We would love for you to come out and see us. We are located at 8570 Highway 51, right between Huey's and Buffalo Wild Wings. Our telephone number is 901-317-8056. Come see us.